So this is all part of the John Paul Jeep build. Sandblasted, deburred, diff, sway bar, axles, springs, and then most of the rest of the front end we're replacing. So this is a brand new steering knuckle because the other one was rusted as shit, but it comes with casting marks on it. Here, it's rough around there, here, here. So we're gonna deburr it, and then we gotta degrease it, and then we can paint it.
Okay, cool. Rolling. Got a letter this morning, how you reckon it read? Said, hurry, hurry, yeah, your love is dead. I said, I got a letter this morning, how you reckon it read? I said, hurry, hurry, the guy you love is dead. Grabbed my suitcase, took off down the road. Got down there, so lay down on that cooling board. I said, I grabbed my suitcase, took off down the road. I got down there, she was laid out on that cooling board. Well, I walked right close, looked down in her face. Said, a good old gal got laid to the judgment day. I said, I got right close, looked down in her face. A good old gal got to lay down till the judgment day. Look like there's 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. Didn't know I loved her till they laid her down. Looked like there were 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. I said I didn't know how much I loved her till they laid her down. Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. Wouldn't mistreat my baby for my wedding gold. I said, Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. I would mistreat my baby for my wedding gold. Well, I fold my arms, slowly walked away. I said, fare thee well, honey, see you on Judgment Day. I said, I'll fold up my arms and slowly walked away. I said, fare thee well, see you on the Judgment Day. You know, I went in my room, I bowed down to pray. Blues came along, drove my spirit away. I said, I went into my room, bow my head to pray. I said the blues came along, Lord, drove my spirit away. You know, I didn't feel so bad till the good old sun went down. Didn't have a soul, throw my arms around. Said I didn't feel so bad. The good old sun went down. That's when I didn't have no soul, throw my arms around. Well, I said I loved you, baby, like I love myself. You don't have me, you won't have nobody else. I said I love you, baby, then I love myself. I can't have you, baby, when you can't have nobody else. You know it's hard, I love someone who don't love you. I said it's hard, it's so hard, love someone that don't love you. no satisfaction. Don't care what in the world you do. Got up this morning, just about to break a day. Hugging that pillow where she used to lay. I said I woke up this morning, just about to break a day. I said I was hugging that pillow where my girl used to lay. Woke up this morning, feeling around for my shoes. You know about that, baby, I had more walking blues. I said I woke up this morning, feeling around for my shoes. I said you know about that, baby, I had more walking blues. You know, I cried last night and the night before. Got to change my way of living so I don't cry no more. I said I cried last night, you know, and on the night before. Change my way of living, I don't have to cry no more. Hush, thought I heard her call my name. It was so loud, it was so nice and plain. I said, oh, hush, thought I heard her call my name. If it wasn't so loud, Lord, it's so nice and plain. Well, listen, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, try to get along with you. I said, now listen, oh, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, I'll try to get along with you. Well, the minutes seemed like hours and the hours seemed like days. It seemed like good old gal don't stop the low down ways. I said, minutes seem like hours, hours seem like days. Oh, my good old gal don't stop the low down cheating ways. You know, love's a hard old phone, make you do things you don't want to do. I said, love's a hard old phone, make you do things you don't want to do. Well, love sometimes make you feel sad and blue. I said, well, I love sometimes make you feel sad and blue. Well, only when it's raining, I notice the holes in my shoes. I said, no, only when it's raining, I notice the holes in my shoes. Well, you know about that, baby. Ooh, got them low down, dirty, empty pocket blues. Now I'm flat, broken, busting, don't know what I'm gonna do. I said I'm flat, broken, busting, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Well, you know about that, baby. Get them low down, dirty, empty pocket blues. Another month is gone, and the rent is way overdue, and the light bill too. I said another month is gone, baby, and the rent is way overdue. Well, you know about that, Mr. Landlord. I can't pay, I got them low down, dirty, empty pocket blues. Heck, I'm so broke, this is supposed to be a saxophone solo, but you know, we'll do what we can. Well, my baby wanna go shopping, to get us some new shoes. I said, my baby wanna go shopping. Need to get her some new shoes. Go to 47 other pairs she got in the closet. I said, I can't help you this month, baby, cause I got them low down, dirty, empty pocket blues. Well, just for fun, I asked my baby for a nickel, cause I really need a dime. I said, baby, won't you let me hold a nickel? I really need a dime. She said, oh, I'm awful sorry, Big Daddy. I said, that's okay, honey, you sorry most of the time. You know she got them. You know she got them too. I said, you know she got them. You know my baby's got them too. She got a low down and dirty, good for nothing, empty pocket blues. So now we're flat, broke and busted. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I said I'm flat, broke and busted. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I said, you know about that, baby. Got them low down dirty, empty pocket blues. Now one more time on a harmonica, I believe I gotta. You know I'm flat, broke and busted. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I said I'm flat, broke and busted. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Well, you know about that, baby. Got them low down dirty, empty pocket blues. We got them low down dirty, good for nothing, empty pocket blues. All right. Lord, she's evil, wicked, mean, nasty. If you didn't want to know, why did you ask me? Seems I'm chasing that woman my whole damn life. Never got nothing to show for itself. Worry, trouble, and strife. She's got them evil eyes. She got a wicked grin. She got a mean disposition and a body built for sin. 'Cause she's evil, she's wicked. Oh, she's mean and nasty. Oh, if you didn't want to know, why did you ask me? She's got a nasty temper, and she ain't scared to show. Go ahead and wind her up, bud, and just watch her go. She's got them evil eyes, they're a window to the soul that she can't disguise. 'Cause she's evil, she's wicked. Lord, she's mean and nasty. If you didn't want to know, why did did you ask me? One quick flash, that wicked grin. You gotta have that woman all over again. Mean disposition, cold as winter rain. Go ahead and mix it up with that nasty temper, bigger than a hurricane. 'Cause she's evil, 'cause she's wicked. Well, she's mean and she's nasty. If you didn't wanna know, well then, why did you ask me? She's got evil eyes, a wicked grin, nasty temper, mean disposition.
Stay system the whole time. Still gotta take that one apart. Those are clean, 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 clean. Ready for paint. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Take care.